I bought this see-through tablecloth to make a cover for the sewing machine, and with the rest I was planning to make a bag for the toys, to take the toys to the beach. I think it will look really cute with all the toys inside, so let's do that. With our fabric folded in half, we're going to stitch the two sides and add some bias tape so it's well finished. Then we're going to create a base by stitching the two bottom corners. Add more bias tape to finish the top, and to make our handles we're going to fold twice two rectangles of fabric and stitch them to the top hem. What I have for this project is less than a square meter of this material, so I'm going to work with that. I'm going to fold it as it is in half, and I'm going to stitch the two sides and make some wedges so it has a bit of a bottom bit. It's a really simple project. I don't think it takes more than half an hour. You can make it in any material. It doesn't have to be this plastic. And there was a time where these handbags were fashionable, but for yourself, like a proper purse. But I'm not convinced about seeing your telephone and your keys and your wallet all in there. It's a bit weird. But let me know down in the comments if you've used them, if they are comfortable, or what other uses would you make of this. And I'm going to sew it with this lovely teal color I have. I'm passionate about teals and turquoises and corals. Can't help it. This is how it's looking so far, much better for the baby's skin, and for it to have more shape, we're going to put our hand in, and on the side where we've just sewn, we're going to form a triangle and sew along here, only 5 centimeters. So once it's inside out, it has more shape. It has more shape. I think it looks really nice and cute with the bias tape, so I'm going to sew the top hem with the bias tape as well. I think it's better, so when you put your hand in, it doesn't scratch or anything like that. I could also make a double hem, but much nicer with that. And for the handles, I'm going to work with the bit of plastic I have left. I'm going to cut 2 stripes of 70 centimeters by 8. And I'm going to fold it twice, in half and then half, so the bit that's sewn doesn't scratch or you don't see anything. I'm in love. I love it. It looks so cute. Look at that. All his little toys. It's a really easy project, but the material is a bit tricky to work with because it sticks to the machine and to itself, so you have to fight with it a little. And the bit that was more effort was the handles because of that, but they're okay. I only saw them here taking advantage of the seam I have, because it's not I'm not going to carry anything heavy. It's only the toys, well, and a kilo of sand when we come back. But it's okay, and if it needed more I can add another, I can stitch it a bit more further up, so it'll be okay. I really like it. I hope he likes it too. So let me know down in the comments what you think, if you've ever worked with this material, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything of all the projects I'm going to make. See you next week. Bye!